Welcome. If you've ever wanted to download a file from Google Drive but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to download any file directly from the Google Drive app on your phone. Whether it's a photo, a document, or a video, you'll have it saved to your device in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in the App Store for iPhone or the Play Store for Android. Once you're in, make sure you're signed in with the Google account where your file is stored. Now scroll through your Drive or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file you want to download. Once you've found it, look to the right of the file's name. You'll see 3 small dots. This is the Options menu. Tap those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several actions you can take. Look for the option that says Download and tap it. The file will start downloading right away. Depending on your device and the file type, you might see a notification when the download is complete, or you'll find the file in your device's Downloads folder. And that's it. You've just downloaded a file from Google Drive in a matter of seconds. No complicated steps, no extra apps, just a few taps, and your file is ready to use offline. If you ever need to download multiple files, you can repeat these steps for each one. Remember, downloading files will use your device's storage space, so keep an eye on your available memory if you're saving large files. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to learn about other Google Drive features. See you in the next video.